It's a big baby.
The baby.
Holy smokes, you're so smart, Lily.
What's that? What's that?
Did you know?
Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who's that big boy? Gigi. Gigi. That's right. That's my name. Gigi.
You say it again?
I got that one on camera. Might have been a mistake, but I'm going with it. I'm going with it. I love the wrinkled nose look.